It's the 12th of July 2022, and we have almost the address again.
Rauhankatu
5 here in Lahti. Lahti is the sea. Lahti is Finland. The alarm is like here on the basement floor for some reason. Interesting find. With 8 floors. It was built in also in 1999. This could be early 1999 probably. It turned 20 years old in 2019 or 1000 VF. The university is B1 2667. Oh, 6th floor.
Yeah.
It's the tallest one with 8 floors. Deserves 2 rides. It's going to be inspected in 2024. It will also be 25 years old. But this version, okay, it looks older.
Yeah.
But that's why I believe it's January 99. And one more ride.
Is tiedpaikki and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. It's weird when I try to press vote P, because usually like K is like this and then it's P. Right?
Yeah.
Different order. It would normally be from left to right.
Yeah.
But here it's the other way around. It's mirrored, so it's a bit unusual.
Yeah.
Now that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's